أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم SILA 2020 plans CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA levels 16 weeks, Skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks. English Conversation Part 8. You know that on the latest Saturday at the time of your departure from this classroom or this education theatre or this discussion hall or this conference room, I gave you some assignment, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
What's the status of that assignment?
I have prepared.
Love you, my son. You have prepared? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Come over here. Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Which phrase was assigned? The when phrase. And there are so many whens. But I requested you, the people, to prepare only one when phrase. What was that?
From and to.
From and to. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
C. What's it? Any question? Clear?
Yes.
What's? Any question?
No, sir.
In the class over here, whenever I am over here in this class, before you, in front of you, what do?
You give.
I give.
You roam.
I roam.
You answer.
I answer.
You question.
I question.
You advise.
I advise.
You think.
I think. Very good.
You deliver.
I think.
Therefore.
I am. I think.
Therefore.
I am. How can we say that I am a human being? Can you think? How can I say that I am living? I am not dead. Because I think. So this is a thinking which testifies whether you are living or dead.
Am I? A thinking thing. That's what René Descartes believed. But how did he get there? Descartes asked, what, if anything, can I know for certain? He decided he couldn't rely on any evidence acquired from his senses, since they sometimes misled him. A straight stick can look bent in water. In the past he had mistaken the shape of objects in the distance, and so on. Worse still, whilst sleeping, he sometimes dreamt he'd woken up. So how then could he be sure he wasn't dreaming now? But hang on, surely 2 + 3 = 5, even in a dream. Descartes, a mathematician, wouldn't get that wrong, would he? Even here, Descartes realized he couldn't claim absolute certainty, for what if an evil demon was in control of his thoughts, manipulating them so that every time he added numbers together, he made a basic error? Where would that leave him? There would be nothing he could be sure of, just a whirlpool of doubt. Descartes' lifebelt was the realization that even if such a demon existed, it couldn't deceive him about his own existence. Every thought, no matter how unreliable, proved he existed as a thinking thing. He could be more sure of that even than that he had a body. This is his famous cogito argument. I think, therefore I am. Cogito, ergo sum.
There's so many people know that moving, no dead bodies. But the follower of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam cannot be a dead body. He always thinks. The more thinking is there, the more logic is there. The more logic is there, the more reasoning is there. The more reasoning is there, the more clarity is there. And the more clarity is there, more tolerance is there, more prosperity is there, more understanding is there, and so on. No. Points clear? This is the message of God, Allah Almighty. Please, so I think.
You share.
I share.
You see.
I see.
You point out.
I point out. Ready?
Yes.
If you want to add what, whom, where, You are most welcome. You are most welcome, ma'am. Clear? What is my requirement? No, that is from and to AM or PM. Ready? Sure? Let me know about your activity with this when phrase, from and to, please.
I learned English language from 2:15 to 3 p.m.
Excellent. What does he say?
He says that he learns English from 2:15 to 3 p.m.
Excellent. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know that this man who's standing now on my right side over here at the dais,
Yes, sir.
this man, he learns the English language from 2:15 to 3 p.m. 6 days a week, Monday to Saturday. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
What? If we see him at 2:30 p.m. when? Tomorrow. Now it's you to respond now. What he will be, please. This man learns the English language from 2:15 to 3 p.m. 6 days a week. What is he doing now? He is learning the English language now, because he learns English language at this time. Points clear? If we see this man tomorrow at 2:30 p.m., what will he be doing? Please. Excellent. He will be learning what? The English language. How can we say that? Because he learns the English language at this time. Guess, at 2:30 p.m. tomorrow, at this time, what else will he be doing? One by one. What else will he be doing? Or what will he be doing during that activity? Points clear? Please.
He will be thinking about his questions.
He will be thinking about his questions. How can we say that?
Because we question during learning.
Because he thinks.
Yeah.
He will be accompanying you, because he accompanies you. He will be looking at Mr. Rafi, because he looks at Mr. Rafi. You can see even now he is looking at me. So as he looks at me, tomorrow, whatever the chair he is on, he will be looking at me. He will be developing his confidence. Why? Because he comes here to develop his confidence, and he develops. He will be enriching his vocabulary. How can we say that? Excellent. Because he enriches his vocabulary during the class. Change. No points clear? Sure? This is format number 6. Format number 6. I skipped format number 5. Points clear? 5. Don't worry. Inshallah. Ready?
Yes.
What else do you do, please?
I clear my confusions
Okay.
from 2:15 to 4 p.m.
Excellent. He clears his confusions during the class.
Clear his confusion from 2:15 to 3 p.m.
2:15 to 3 p.m. If we see him at 2:35 p.m. tomorrow,
He will be clearing his confusion.
points clear? If we see him at 2:35 p.m. no, on Tuesday. If we see him on Wednesday, excellent, because he clears, he does this activity. If we see him at 2:45 p.m. on coming Thursday, how can we say that? Excellent. No, I'm changing. If someone calls him, this man, Mr. Maqsood, on his mobile. When? On coming Friday at 3 p.m. At that time, what will he be doing? He will be clearing his concepts. If someone knocks at this door after 1 minute, today, what will he be doing? How? Because, how can we say that? Because he clears his concepts. Very good. He will be clearing his confusions. Ready? I offer the Fajr prayer from 5:45 to 6 a.m. What's clear?
Yes.
If you people call me at 5:50 a.m. Clear? I will be offering the Fajr prayer. If someone tries to contact me at 5:50 a.m. What's clear? If someone enters my home at 5:55 a.m. No points clear?
Yes.
If someone sees me at 5:58 a.m. Points clear? Because I do that activity at that time. This point is clear? I recite the Holy Quran from 6 to 6:30 a.m. At 6:10 a.m. When? Tomorrow. Or day after tomorrow. On the days to come. Point is clear? Sure.
I take breakfast from 8 a.m. to 8:20 a.m.
What does it say?
He says that he takes breakfast from 8 a.m. to 8:20 p.m.
From 8 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. Tomorrow at 8:10 a.m. Please. He will be eating breakfast. He will be sitting at the dining table. He will be using his right hand, because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Iza akala ahadukum falyakul biyaminihi." Whenever any one of you eats something, so he should always eat with his right hand. So as we are the follower of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so we always know that eat with our right hand. So he will be know that eating with his right hand. No, as we know him, he will be thanking Allah Almighty for the food. He will be admiring his sister for such a delicious food. He will be getting energy. Excellent, better. No, the question is, during that activity, tomorrow, what will he be doing? Please, one by one.
He will be thanking Allah Almighty.
He will be thanking Allah Almighty.
He will be taking tea.
He will be taking tea. Let's see. Okay, be more logical.
He will be chewing.
Very good. He will be chewing food. How can we say that? Because he chews food, and it's food which is chewed. He will be eating some bread. Excellent. He will be eating egg. If he eats. If he eats, he will be eating. If he doesn't eat, he won't be eating. What's the time now? 2 p.m. No? Ready? Sure? At 3:30 p.m. today, I mean to say that after 28 minutes today, what will you be doing? Very good. You will be attending your CSS class. You will be listening to Mr. Rafi. Very good, beta. At 3:30, you will be going home. You will be leaving the class. At what time? At 3:30 p.m. Ji.
I will be sitting on the bike.
Very good. You will be sitting on the bike. No, you will be going home.
Yes.
You will be sitting behind your brother. Clear?
Yes, sir. Discussing ideology of
Excellent. How accurate that sentence is. No, you will be discussing the ideology of Pakistan, because that is our topic to be discussed in our that coming class. Excellent. You will be checking your mobile. Excellent. No, how simple that. You will be holding your mobile. No, you will be touching the screen of your mobile. No, you will be trying to read some message. No, please.
I will be taking my helmet after the class.
Love you, my son. You will be picking up, no, your helmet, or you will be picking your helmet up. Clear? Very good. You will be driving your car. One more question, no? At 8:30 p.m. tonight, what will you people be doing? Please.
I will be preparing my assignment.
You will be preparing your assignments. What does he say? Clear? Points clear? Ji. You will be preparing dinner.
I will be reading my book,
You will be reading your book. Please.
solving the questions.
You will be solving the question.
To the hospital.
Very good. You will be going to the hospital. Axel, you will be watching, no, the English movie Hamlet, or you will be watching Hamlet, no, the English movie. You have that movie?
Yes, sir.
I have given it to you, no, that is there in that folder, no, you can watch it.
I will be going to say prayer in mosque.
Very good. You will be going to the mosque to offer prayers, not say prayer. You will be going to the mosque to offer prayer, or you will be offering prayers in the mosque. We don't know, no, please. Know this points clear? You know your members of the family about their activities. My question is, know that at this time, what's the time now? 3:06. Who will be there at your home? Which part of the home, and what will that person be doing over there? Points clear? For example, my son will be there in the study room. He will be reading some book. My wife will be there in the kitchen. She will be making a cup of tea for me. My mother will be there in the bedroom. She will be watching TV. My father will be there. He will be basking the sunshine. Only one member of the family.
My sister will be there in the kitchen.
Hmm.
She will be making tea.
Excellent. She will be making tea. Format number 6. Ji beta.
My uncle will be there in the showroom.
Excellent.
He will be managing the showroom.
Excellent. Your uncle will be there in the showroom. He will be managing, no, it. He will be selling some cars, some vehicles. Clear? He will be bargaining the rates. He will be entertaining, no, some visitors or some customers. Please.
My younger brother will be there in the TV launch. He will be using the tablet.
Excellent. He will be using the tablet. Ji.
Mother will be there in the bedroom and she will be reciting the Holy Quran.
Excellent. Your mother will be there in the bedroom.
Yes.
She will be reciting the Holy Quran.
My father will be there in the TV lounge and he will be enjoying the Turkish series.
Excellent. This